This is a video on how to make an Animoto. So the first thing that you're going to is go to animoto.com, and then you're going to sign up for free. When you sign up for free, all you need to do is enter your email, continue, and then enter a password, and then you have your free account. So I already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, go to the click create button, and if you can't find it, go to my account and my videos and you'll find it there. I'm going to continue editing this film that I have made. And what I've done first is I've gone to choose my poem. So for example, this is the poem that I've chosen. You can go to poets.org to find your poem. And then I've gone to unsplash.com where I've typed in solitude. And then I choose pictures that I like. I can click this button here and download them. And once I've chosen all the pictures that I want, later when I go to my media library and my project, then I can upload all of those by clicking this button, and then I can upload them all at once. I can always change my mind and add more later, but right now these are the ones that I've selected for my film. I've added a block by clicking this button, and I can choose lots of different options. For me, I'm just going to choose something boring here, and then I'm going to choose a picture, drag it over, choose to add some text, and in the text, I'm going to give it a title, short film by Robin. And you'll see here that if you click on the design button, you can change your, oh, you know what, maybe I want this format. That feels more great. Let's go ahead and do that. So now I've chosen this, and then I can also change the highlighting behind it, and I can change the text color itself. And I can rearrange it and put it where I want. I have already made my I've already made my film, so I have my slide right here. I can add slides by clicking here, or I can also duplicate a slide. Sometimes it's easier to do that, especially if I want an image to cross over to multiple slides, but I just want to change the words. You can also, if you go to the stock, you can find some pictures here, but many of the pictures you have to pay for, and I do not want you to have to pay for this. So it's probably easier to just go through, although there are plenty to choose from, and you can choose here, including images where you can, that are actually also videos. And so if I play this block right here, I can say, oh, I like this idea of, I wonder if this is, which bridge this is. And then I can have that image also. You'll note in this slide right here that right now this is 3 seconds long. I can make this longer if I like, and I can make it shorter. It will automatically adjust if you have more text on the page. It'll automatically make it longer. In general, that's a good idea because it gives your audience member the opportunity to read more. The last component you want to have is music. And if you select your music here, and you can select your theme, and what you'll notice is there are lots of different themes, and as you hover over them, they'll give you different options of how that sounds. And at some point, they're going to start clicking into music where you have to pay. So if it has this symbol right here, it means you have to pay for it, and so don't choose that. It's also fine to upload your own music. A great source for free music is jamendo.com/explore/communities. And then I often find either electronic or film score as great options. And when you go to Jamendo, every once in a while, when you choose the music that you like, it will, most of the time, it'll let you download it for free. Every once in a while, it won't let you download for free. And so you're just going to have to choose a different song. So, for example, if I wanted dramatic uplifting and I went to download it, I can download it for free for personal use. That means school use. And that would be the button there. However, I might choose something else where they would say, oh, look at this romantic piano Chopin inspiration, and I go to download it, and the download is not available unless I pay for it. So you might have to do a little searching around for that. Getting back to Animoto, once you are done, then you want to be sure to hit the export button. That will give you a link that you can then turn in or have people follow to watch your film. Once I'm ready to check it, I can press this play button and it's going to give me a preview so I can see how it looks. And now after I've previewed it, I'll close the preview and I'll say, you know what, I want to fix a couple of things. Maybe I want to not have this first slide so long. Maybe I forgot at the end that I did want to give credit to the photographers. You do not have to, but it's always a nice thing to do. And maybe I decide that I want to spend longer on this last slide to really make it impact, or maybe it lines up better with the music. When I am done though, I will go ahead and hit export right here, and then that will give me a link and I will be all done. Once you've exported your video, you can retitle it. Maybe you want to write a little description, add your video creator piece. If you want to hide your Animoto, you're going to have to pay money, and so I don't want you to do that. So it means it will have that watermark on it, but that is absolutely fine. And then you're going to copy the link. And the place where you can watch this video, if you go to OneNote and you go to the content library and to resources, you will see this page, how to make an Animoto. It'll have the instructions on how to make an Animoto, and then it will also include the Animoto I just made for you. I hope that was helpful.